Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to save file in Microsoft Excel. So get it started. Firstly, then we show the salary sheet. This in this file. This file is the save. In firstly going to the file menu option. Now then you can see and click for the save as option. Then click for the any document in the I my save is the desktop. Now click for the desktop option. Now click for the save file name option. Then file name is salary and another name. Now click for the save option. Now click for the save option. That's it. Then with the sec is the file. Now show the Arab, then show the is this file, this Arab. Then I show the save file in Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.